Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain median in detail. I show you all cases with examples. Here we have median for ungrouped data, also median for grouped data. Ungrouped data we have two cases, even data and odd data. Also for grouped data if frequency available and if class limit available. Let's start. First, median is a measure of central tendency more resistant to the effect of extreme value. The median is the value that occupies the middle position of data when data are put in rank order by magnitude, low to high or high to low. First, for ungrouped data, if the data is odd, we can use this formula to find median, n plus 1 divided by 2. If the data is even, we have to find average for n over 2 and n plus 2 over 2. We explain this by solving two examples. For odd case, for example, we have this data, it is 5 data, it's odd. First, we have to sort in ascending order. 1, 3, 4, 8, 10. Median equal to n plus 1 divided by 2, which equal 5 plus 1 divided by 2, it equals third. Third number. First one, second one, third. Fourth is a median. For even case, for instance, we have this example 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 9. We have 8 data. It's even. We have to find average for n over 2 and n plus 1 over 2. N over 2, it's fourth. Fourth, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. It equals 5. N over 2 divided by 2 is fifth. Fifth one is 6. We have to find average for 5 and 6. It equals 5.5. That is a median. For grouped data, if frequency available, we have this example. First, we have to create table xi for markers, frequency. Then we have to find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, we have to put this one here, 2. For this one, 2 plus 11, 13. 13 plus 15, 28. 28 plus 20, 48, and so on. And we see summation of frequency is 101. It's odd value. So the median class can be found by this formula, n plus 1 divided by 2. N plus 1 divided by 2 is 51. We have to select median class in cumulative frequency. We have to determine median class in cumulative frequency greater than 51 and nearest. This one, 73, is nearest and greater. This one be median class and 5 become median. That's the solution. Let us solve another example of class limit available. First, we find cumulative frequency and then calculate the median class by this formula. In the cumulative frequency column, find the value greater than and nearest to n over 2, or summation of frequency over 2. This row will be the median class. Find the median by applying this formula. We have this formula. Let's understand the symbols. L lower limit is the median class. H length of interval class. Summation of Fi is the total number of observation. Cf cumulative frequency for the class preceding the median class. F frequency of the median class. Let's solve an example. We have this example. First, we have to create table, class limit. Then we have to find class mark. Class mark is 31 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35.5. 41 plus 50 divided by 2 equals 45.5, and so on. Then frequency. Summation frequency is 80. Now we have to find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, and so on. We have to find median class. To calculate median class, we have to divide summation of frequency by 2 because it's even. So it equals 40s. In cumulative frequency, we have to determine a cumulative frequency greater than 40s and nearest, 48. So 48 is a median class. Now apply this formula. L equal to lower limit 71. Summation of frequency divided by 2 is 80 divided by 2 is 40. Cumulative frequency for preceding median class is 23. H equal to 80 minus 71 or 70 minus 61. It equal to 9. Frequency of median class is 25. Just put into the equation and median equal to 77.12. That's all. Have a nice day.